Hello guys, Ima here, and today I'll be taking you through how you can do bootable Windows 11 USB drive. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. So first, this is the what you should have, which is your Windows 11 ISO image and your Rufus 3.17. Okay, so this is really important. You should have this exact version. So if you don't have it, you go to rufus.digital to download the Rufus software. So this is the interface of their website, and you might want to download exactly 3.17, and you will know why later in the video. So after you downloaded, you go ahead and you open you launch your Rufus application. Okay, so you launch it, and this is how the interface look like. So with the first one, you have device, okay, which is of course your drive. Okay, so I'll go ahead and insert my USB drive into the machine. Okay, and make sure there's nothing on it, so because it's going to format. So if you have anything valuable on the drive, make sure you back up whatever that is on the drive. So uh, as you can see here, the application will automatically detect your drive. So if you have any multiple drive in your machine, click on the drop down and select the one that you want to use. And the second one is the bootable boot selection. So we'll go ahead and select the image. So click on the desktop, that's where the image is, and then we'll select the Windows 11 image there. Okay, and we'll go ahead and select open to load the Windows 11 into the software. So the next section is the image option. This is the reason why I asked you to download exactly the 3.17. Why? Because with this version, you'll be able to create a bootable Windows 11 drive for unsupported Windows 11 machines. Okay, you know that. So if you click on the drop down, you will see standard Windows 11, you will see extended Windows 11. Okay, so if you select the extended Windows 11, you will see that no TPM, no secure boot. This means if you select this, that means you want to install it on a machine that do not support Windows 11, that doesn't have any TPM or secure boot. Okay, so if you select this one, that means you want to install it on the machine that is officially not supported, doesn't support Windows 11. So if your machine does support Windows 11, go ahead and select the standard one, okay, which is the one I will select in a moment. So and also the partition scheme, depending on your BIOS, whether you have a UEFI or a MBR, which is BIOS. But the machine I'm working on it is a newer machine, so I'll go ahead and select GPT, which is UEFI. Okay, and then with the volume label, I'll go ahead and just label it Windows 11. That's, you can name it anything that you want. So yeah, and then the NTFX, just always leave it with the file system. Always leave it at NTFX. Okay, so yeah, and that's all. Go ahead and go ahead and click on the start. And as I said, it will warn you that to delete everything on it. So if you have something valuable on the drive, make sure you take a backup. And there your Windows 11 bootable drive begins. Okay, so to start copying your ISO files, and the bootable drive should be ready. Yeah. So guys, let's give it a few seconds, and this thing will be ready in no time. So now it's almost ready, 99%, and yeah, everything is done now. As you can see, it's ready, and now you can go ahead and unplug it from your machine, and now your Windows 11 bootable drive is ready, and you can go ahead and install it on your machine. So guys, thank you for watching. If you find this educative enough, don't forget to subscribe and also like and comment so that somebody also will see this video. Thank you for watching.